For the end elevation, I'm going to start off by deciding on where a centre line is going to go for this end elevation. And the reason for doing this is it makes life a lot easier when it comes to projecting information from the plan. I'm also going to extend the 6-3 line there, because that's going to give me a guide for where the bounce line should go. So 45 set square out to do your bounce line. Next thing is just project round the widths here, project them down to the end elevation, like so. Project the original height of it, and then all you need to do is just draw up the basic outline, like so. Okay, obviously some of this is going to be cut off, so we can't firm that in yet. Okay, we're also going to draw across these edges, 6, that's 6 there. Five and 1. Four and 2, and then 3 across like that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to project the corresponding cut points from the plan down to here, and that's going to inform us where or what the shape of this is going to be. So if I start with 3, there's 3 there. I've already got a projection line there which comes down, and that hits right down there. If we go for 4, next project it down, it corresponds with that point there. If I do 5, it corresponds with that point there. And you can see that actually all of these are on the edge. So 6 corresponds with 6 here. 2 corresponds with 2 down here, and then finally the last one is 1 which corresponds with this point here. Sorry, with this point down here. And that's us got all our points. So all we need to do now is just firm these in. And that allows us to show what that cut surface would look like. There's a line right down the middle here, and then a thick line on the bottom, like so. Okay, so that's the end of the elevation done. To do the development of the sides of the pyramid, using point O as a starting point. So in order to do that, we have to measure the length of the side. Now a wee quick check is just make sure that that is the true length. It is the true length, but I'm just going to check. The way that I check that is I put my compass from the centre to a vertex, and then I draw an arc round till till I get to the horizontal. You'll actually find that the point that it meets coincides with that point, so I know that that length is going to be correct. So I set my compass to the length of this side, there to there. Now I know this bit's been cut off, but we'll deal with that shortly. So you just draw this round here, like so, and then get a starting point, and that layer will be 6. Okay, that will be line 6 there that we'll start with. Okay, measure the length of each side, so there's a side there, and just measure its length. And just mark it off, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and draw lines out to each of these. Okay, now I'm going to write O on that there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work out how far it is from O to the cuts, basically. Okay, I'm going to label this as well, so I'm going to go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back round to 6, which will wrap round and again. Okay.